the roads to Virajpet are closed. The water from that river has come onto the road. Bad things happen for a good reason sometimes. Finally, the road has been blocked. Okay, so it is super early in the morning. I think it's around 6:30 in the morning, and we are checking out today. We are headed to Coorg. In Coorg, we are staying at this place called the Club Mahindra Holidays at Virajpet, and I heard it's a really beautiful property. It is so cold over here in Nagarhole that I think I'm literally catching a cold and a cough. All of a sudden today, I suddenly don't feel that well. Coorg, the distance between Nagarhole and Coorg is around 120 kilometers, and I think that should take us about 2.5 hours, considering we're traveling in a bus and it's pretty slow. I am really gonna miss that view behind me. I've not even packed and we need to leave in like 15 minutes. Okay, so we just got to know right now that it's raining very heavily in Coorg. We are staying in an area in Coorg called Virajpet, and apparently the roads to Virajpet are closed. So we really don't know what we're going to do right now. Weather. But I'm going to take it as an adventure. Let's see.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with.
So as you can see over there right now, apparently the road has been blocked because of some rhyme or reason, and I don't know if you can make out outside, but it's raining super heavy. I have no idea what we're gonna do. Roads blocked. We are between Vijaypet and Coorg. Beautiful yet spoiling the whole scene. Alright guys, so as you can see behind me, the weather is completely throttled. Our trip, it's turned out into a complete disaster. We were headed to the Abbey Falls, but instead of that now we're headed for lunch. And then probably if the road opens up, then we'll go. Otherwise we're heading to our hotel, which is Club Mahindra in Vijaypet, I think. Virajpet in Coorg. Terrible weather, but beautiful at the same time.
Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect.
So in 2 days of rain, Coorg is flooded and Coorg is literally shut. So we were going to the Abbey Falls, and we were going to what was the name of the place? Raja Seat. It's a national park?
No, it's a place where you can see the sunrise and sunset, but it gives a very good view from there.
So we were going to this place called the Raja Seat place, where apparently the view is really good, but that's also shut. So I think now after lunch we're headed to our hotel. And does the hotel have a good view?
Yes, it's a good view.
Good view to the hotel, alright.
This guy is going to have a veg meal He's a hardcore non-vegetarian. He loves a lot.
I don't think they can hear you.
No? He loves beef a lot.
Beef matlab beef. Nothing else.
Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm going to...
So that is a river. That's the road. The water from that river has come onto the road. Literally.
Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
Okay, so even though the weather is super rainy and super horrible and I'm getting wet, but I had to show you this crazy paddy field behind me. And if I take another turn, we have a crazy forest there. We're in the middle of the road. We kind of have a puncture in our bus, but I think bad things happen for a good reason sometimes. This place is just beautiful.